What we have today for you all is the Goldy Reserve Edition, an antimatter blue Akins Ford F-450 that is now dubbed officially the Goldy Reserve Edition for AJ Goldy, Aaron from Florida. Thank you so much for allowing us to do this. This actually was a lot vehicle that had black and milled wheels on it with no paint whatsoever. And my man was like, real deal. We got to throw my flavor on there along with yours. So here's what we got going on. So for the first time ever, we've got antimatter blue with gold and chrome and polish going on. Let me know your thoughts. Some are going to say it doesn't flow. Some are going to say it looks cool. Some are going to not really care either way. But for AJ Goldy, this is the perfect combo because we've got the subtlety throughout. His tag on the back, his custom tag is going to say Goldy on it as well. He wanted the 5-hole bullet hole style design wheel from American Force, that classic look. And he has some floaters that's going to go right there that say Goldy as well. So this is definitely a perfect custom build for a great customer. All the way throughout, leveled on 37s. Look at that big deep dish in the back now. Oh man, that looks stunning. Great looking wheel. Two different variations of this wheel. You can do the duty with adapter, which we love to run, which this is, or the direct bolt-on application, and that which is just two tucked in and doesn't work on the 37s like this does. So this is a perfect balance on the 37, 12.5, 22 Toyo open country RT trail, that new hybrid tire that's taken over by storm, giving the ridge grapper a run for his money. So great that he's been able to have this on his application. Again, a 2.5-inch coil spring level kit from Ready Lift, Fox shocks, the aluminum body, Performance Series front and rear. On the side, we removed the texture on the backer and did antimatter around the F-450 and the platinum. And those pesky textured mirrors went bye-bye in lieu of antimatter blue, kept the chrome cap. Look at that, just beautiful. Coming out back, we got a Pace Edwards power bed cover. That's a must-have, especially on our Reserve Edition truck. We got airlift, air ride, airbags in the back, along with our Performance Series shocks to go along with it. There's a good look right there at the airbags. Rigid SRQs in the back, painted to match. Applique, painted to match, Goldy out back. Can't wait to see that tag on there. Got his hookups for air and more to go along with it. Man, just a stunning truck. Antimatter with the polished, of course, is a no-doubter. Trimmer belts up front to go along with it. You can tell we got the 14-inch grill lights behind the grill. Those are functional as far as a turn signal as well. So just another way to just make the truck look more unique to the customer, what it's all about. And a stunning F-450 going to be great. Rolling down in Florida. Florida customers, strong with the Florida customers. So congratulations to you, AJ. Thanks so much. Brent took care of the upgraded accessories on this one. Jake Roy was a salesperson in this one as well. Great job as always by Jake and all of our staff. Another diamond. Thanks for watching, y'all. Greatly appreciate it. A little bit chilly today on the 13th of March. It's like 44 degrees. It's been unseasonably warm, so this one's going down to warmer weather. So with some kind of jealous of, I'm ready for summer to be here, much like I hope you are as well. But a phenomenal dealership taking care of all of your vehicle and accessory needs. Akins Ford, and this ain't no promotion. This is life, documenting what we do on a daily basis, and it's not anything but just short of glorious to us, y'all. Stay safe, stay positive, stay blessed. Keep the bright perspective. Keep the right perspective. I mean, I'm out here on the lot, a dealership lot. You say, what's this guy running around acting a fool for, having fun? Because number one, God is good all the time. And number two, there's so many great customs that roll through here every single day. How can I not be happy? See y'all later.